morning and welcome from Lachung. So this is where I'm staying. This is my bike. This is the view. The plan right now is going to Yumthang and 0 Point, and after that we'll start for Gangtok, and most probably we'll reach there before evening. So let's begin. So destination for today is 0 Point and Yumthang Valley. We will first go to 0 Point, and while coming back from there take a halt at Yumthang. The road is quite good. The main thing that attracts me about the Himalayas is the rich biodiversity. At one point we can consider the place where I visited yesterday, Kurdongmar. It was just barren and dry. And now today this place, it's so green. I mean, I love the mountains.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So as you can see, I've reached 0 Point. Just take a look. Fortunately, there is no snow. Let's click some snaps and we'll have some food and start going back. So I just checked into my room at Gangtok. This is the room. 2 बेड है, एक में कपड़े रखना है और एक में सोना है. चलो फिर कल मिलते हैं. कल टारगेट है नाथंग वैली जाने का. सो मिलते हैं कल मॉर्निंग में. आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.